Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited for this video because this is officially my first nail video and it is in collaboration with BTArtbox. So this is actually my second time filming this video. I did the first video using these set of press-on nails, but I realized when I was editing that a lot of the footage was missing, and so I decided to reshoot it and take off those sets and choose another set for you guys so you can see the different options that are available to you. Alright, so I went ahead, I got 5 boxes and I decided to use this one this time around. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. So these are the nails. With your package you do get a glue to put the nails on. You do get a bit of information card which shows you how to use your nails, or apply your nails I should say, as well as how to remove your nails. Now the package also came with a, what do you call it, nail glue. It came with a nail file. It also came with an alcohol pad, and I'm not sure what that stick is called. I think it's sugar something stick. And then you have the stickers for the nails in the event you do not want to use the nail glue on your nails. Alright, so this is everything that came in the package that you will need to apply your press-ons. Now guys, this is the first time I'm hearing about BTArtbox, and you know, just want to give you a bit of information about them. So BTArtbox initially started doing nail tips, and they have since expanded to press-on nails, which is super cool. So you can definitely check them out. So right now I'm basically going ahead and filing down all my nails. You need to do this so that when you apply the glue, it will hold the press-ons to your finger and keep them on for a longer period of time. You also want to ensure that there are no oils or moisture on your nails, so you need to make sure that your nails are completely clean and dry. Now once I go ahead and file all my nails down, this is what they look like. I did the other hand off camera, so this is before I did it, and then I'm going to show you shortly after. This is what they look like. Now once those are filed, I'm going to go ahead and organize my nails from thumb to pinky finger for each hand, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, so these are what I took out for both hands, and I'm gonna go ahead now and apply the glue. And when you apply the glue, you're going to go ahead and take the nail and apply it directly to your fingers. Now what I did was that I made sure whenever I'm placing the nails, I place them as close as possible to my cuticle. Now the piece of stick that you get in your package, that is actually what you use to push back your cuticle, and I did already do that from yesterday. So this is just me applying the glue, applying the nail. You need to hold the nail or press the nail down onto the glue on your finger for about 30 seconds to a minute, just to ensure that the glue holds to the nail and it will prevent it from falling off. So I'm gonna speed up the process by going ahead and doing all the fingers on my left hand, and then I will do my right hand off camera and come back. Alright guys, so this is what my nails look like once they have been applied. Once I've applied all the nail tips on, as you can see, my nails do look a little ashy. So what I'm going to do, because I don't have any cuticle oil, I'm going to go ahead and use some baby oil. Now I have been doing this trick for years and it works every single time. When you want your cuticles to not look ashy, just go ahead and use some baby oil, and that will definitely add some shine to your cuticles. And let me know down below if you've ever used baby oil, or if you intend to try it out, and let me know if it works for you as well. I also went ahead and lotioned my hands off camera so that my hands didn't look as dry and as ashy as they did before. And this is the final result, guys. I love these nails. I just love how natural looking they are. Effortlessly, they look as if I got a fresh acrylic set, which is amazing. And what I love most about the BTArtbox nails is that they look so natural. So at the tip they're very thick, but down where you apply it onto your nail bed, they're actually very thin, so it gives you that acrylic, you know, slope and finish. So yeah, if you are interested in trying out any of BTArtbox nails or press-on nails, or even their tips, you can check the description bar down below for all the relevant details. I also do have a discount code for you, which is Jordan15, where you will be getting 15% off your purchase, guys. Yes, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.